I feel like the atmosphere is really electric. I mean, listen to it right now, and this is the last day of the show.
Well, it's a great chance for us to gather new business and see what's new in the industry. See you at the next IT Expo. We'll be here. Hey, it's Rich Tehrani with TMC. We're here at IT Expo 2018. We're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. On our program today is Issabel. We're in the Issabel booth, and we've got quite a team. We're going to talk to them about what they're doing. So let's go around and everyone introduce yourself and your title, please.
Hi, my name is Juan Bustos. I'm the Chief Information Officer with Issabel.
I'm Nicolas, Gudino, the CTO.
Yeah, my name is Boris Garfias. I'm the CEO of the company.
Fantastic. We've got the power team of Issabel in front of us here. So first thing I want to ask is tell me about the company. Who wants to give an explanation?
Well, this company is a bundle of different companies that are located all around the world. We were part of a very important open source project, and in order to maintain that open source project, we got all together until one umbrella was called Issabel. So it's a company, but it's actually a project, the Issabel project, and the main thing is open source.
Very, very cool. Anyone want to add to that, or that's good?
Actually, I think that we are one of the biggest products based in Asterisk, in open source. We have at this moment presence in almost 200 countries all over the world, and we have more than 70,000 users.
Wow.
Installation already, sorry.
So 70,000 installations, congratulations, fantastic. And so tell me, in terms of your target audience, for those people watching, who are you looking for? Developers? Are you looking for businesses? Who should buy from you or talk to you?
This is mainly an open source project. As such, it's free. It's free to use and it's free to modify. So the target audience is anyone that is looking to make or install phone systems, integrate that with their networks and computer systems using open source. So it's a wide range. It will be individuals, small companies, large companies, empowering open source to provide solutions. Unified communication solutions. It's a wide range.
Yeah, the fact that we have that ability to modify it, and you have the ability as an engineer to modify and add your own features and characteristics, is that it lets you, if you have a home necessity, like you need a PBX for your home, this will be perfect. You can do anything that you want with this. But if you're a large enterprise or corporation, you have also the chance to implement this following the procedures professionally.
So there are a few open source projects out there. Why do people choose Issabel as opposed to other options?
Actually, there are not many open source options like Issabel in the market today. There was some kind of concentration. Issabel comes from a project that is an old project already, called named Elastics. Elastics was sold last year, and it was closed up. It's not open anymore. So we just keep the open source flame. There are not many open source solutions, as Issabel, that is integrating many open source projects into one umbrella. You have Asterisk. Asterisk is powering Issabel as the communications engine, but we have integration with video conference, with email, with chat. All of those components, we are using open source products and make them work together. And there are not many options available. I think there are a couple.
So how do you generate revenue?
Actually, we're just giving support over the world. We have the hardware too, because there is, depending on the part of the world, there is the option to do an installation on premise. But actually, we have another solution. As Nicolas told you, we have an omni-channel product. So we have the option to get email, fax, voice. We have the call center platform, and we have a video based in WebRTC. So that's why we're offering that solution. But we're giving support. We have the product, and then we have the multi-tenant option. That is carrier class, so that's why that's one of the products that we sell. So that is not open source.
As an open source platform, typically you get funded the projects through training, through professional services and consulting, and through hardware. So those are the premises we have. The beauty of Issabel is that on one hand you have an open source solution that it's very stable, updated, has all the features everybody is looking for, but also you have companies backing it up. So that's why I was telling you, you have your home user, but you also have the enterprise that will take advantage of that structure that will sell you the hardware if you need it, that sell you consulting if you need it, and will sell you training if you need it. So that is the pylon. Those are the pylons of revenue.
So if someone is looking to Asterisk and they're new and they say new to the market and say I want an open source solution, why would I not just choose Asterisk? Why do I go with Issabel?
Well, Asterisk itself is the communications engine, but is maybe hard to come by. It's not friendly. Many users don't know about Linux. They don't know how to install. They are afraid to enter the command line or to do compile source. Asterisk provides its software as source. It has some packages already made, but you must know Linux. You must be a system administrator, and you must know many things. You need a solid background. Issabel just provides an easy way to install Linux, Asterisk, and all the tools already configured. You can have a phone system in around 20 minutes install time, and you have a web-based interface, a graphical user interface that is not hard to use. You have user manuals, you have videos, you have a big community of users already taking advantage of the Asterisk functionality through an easy-to-use user interface. Dicium, the company behind Asterisk, give us to the whole open source community its engine, but they have their commercial solution for web-based and easy-to-use interfaces for configuring Asterisk also. So that is a key difference. We are not bundling just Asterisk and you have to fight with the command line. You have a pretty and nice graphical user interface, easy to use. You have manuals, you have training even for using that graphical user interface, so you can have your communications platform ready and working with a much easy to or smooth learning curve. It's not step, it's easy to use.
Is there anything else we should know?
Yes, the community is growing. We need participation. We are out there and we need involvement from the community members to get into the source code, to get into reporting the bugs and getting the Issabel name growing. This is for open source community. This is not a closed solution and will never be closed. So we are open to anyone who wants to come with us.
Thank you very much, everyone.
No, thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity.